How to mirror camera on Messenger video call. If you've ever been on a video call using Facebook Messenger and noticed that your camera is reversed, like when you move your hand, it looks like the opposite way. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your camera on Messenger video call so everything looks just the way you want it. Now, open the Messenger app and start a video call with a friend or family. When you're on the call, tap on the screen to bring up the video call controls. You'll see different options like mute, speaker, and video settings. Look for the flip camera icon, which looks like a small camera with an arrow circling it. This button is usually at the top of the screen. If you are not able to finding it, you may need to update your Messenger application. So you might be wondering, why doesn't Messenger mirror my camera by default? Well, the reason Messenger doesn't mirror the video call feed automatically is that by default it shows what the other person sees, so it's the real view of you. Some people find that a bit disorientating, which is why the option to mirror it is so handy. And that's it. That's how you mirror your camera on Messenger video calls, making your chats feel way more natural. No more awkward reversed images.